Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing how to restore WhatsApp chat on your Android device. Restoring your chat history can help you recover important conversations and memories. Let's get started. To begin, install and open WhatsApp on your Android device. If you haven't already, verify your phone number by entering the verification code that you receive via SMS. When prompted to restore your chats and media from Google Drive, tap on Restore. This will restore your chat history and media files from your Google Drive backup. It's important to note that your backup files should be on the cloud for this to work. You can check this by going to Google Drive and checking for the backup file. After the restoration process is completed, tap on Next. Your chats will be displayed once initialization is complete. It's worth mentioning that restoring chat history from your Google Drive backup may take some time, depending on the size of your backup file. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and enough battery life to complete the process. If you're having trouble restoring your chat history, you can try uninstalling and reinstalling WhatsApp on your Android device. This may help to resolve any issues with the app. To uninstall WhatsApp, go to your device's settings, select Apps and Notifications, and then select WhatsApp. Select Uninstall, and then confirm the action. To reinstall WhatsApp, go to the Google Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and then select Install. Once installed, open the app and follow the prompts to verify your phone number and restore your chat history. That's it. You've successfully learned how to restore WhatsApp chat on your Android device. Restoring your chat history can help you recover important conversations and memories. Don't forget to share this tutorial with your friends and family, and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related videos.